A high temperature yesterday, a little bit warmer, made it up to 79 degrees here in Eugene, 77 for those of you in Corvallis, and 80 degrees in Roseburg. When you get out to the coast, temperatures there in the mid to upper 60s, except for Brookings. You made it up to 74 yesterday with some nice easterly winds bringing down that heat. 73 in Redmond. In most of central and eastern Oregon was a little bit cooler. They finally starting to see that cool marine air that we've been dealing with here for the past couple of weeks. Now, at this point, we've had very mild weather for the past week or so. The beginning of the month, though, was pretty warm. Looks like the month of August is going to wrap up about 2 degrees above average temperature-wise and about half of an inch below average precipitation-wise. So it has been a warmer and drier August than what we typically see. Now, taking a look at this satellite picture this morning, not much here. It is clear across the entire state of Oregon. Have to go up into western Washington to find any substantial cloud cover. But what we are seeing here in the Southern Valley and throughout western Oregon is some fog this morning. And you can see the airport is reporting light fog there. Current temperatures at 49 degrees, dew points down at 47. So because those are not any closer, I don't expect that fog to be very dense or widespread. So what is out there should burn off very quickly. The wind is calm though, so that'll help to support it here for the next couple hours. Now the fire danger is still high. And if you are planning on doing any camping this weekend, you definitely want to keep that in mind. We're also going to see those temperatures start to warm up this weekend as well. So the jet stream starting to head to the north, and so the storms that are out over the Pacific, which really isn't much, are going to continue to stay to the north of us. We'll see a few blips moving through western Washington this next week, but we're going to escape all of those here in Oregon, and we're just going to continue to see very mild weather. We're not going to see any large high pressure areas move in or anything like that. So we're going to continue to stay right in between, not too hot, not too cool, about average. Precision Cast, our computer model, does show those clouds still out at the coast this morning. I do expect quite a few sun breaks though this afternoon right there along the beach. And then on Friday, you can see it's not the marine layer that moves through, but rather some higher clouds as that jet stream moves to the north. Otherwise, we continue to see those sunny skies here. And then Saturday, same story. Could see a little bit of fog early in the day, especially near the coast. Otherwise, sunny for the afternoon. So the coast today, a touch cooler again as that trough starts to move up to the northeast. Low 60s, a little bit of fog and low clouds, otherwise sunny this afternoon, and those winds will help to keep you a little bit clearer from the north, 10 to 15 miles per hour. Low 60s here through Labor Day weekend. Overnight lows dropping down into the upper 40s. I do expect it to be mostly sunny though Saturday all the way through Tuesday. For the Umpqua Basin, back into the low 80s, staying sunny today as well, a touch warmer than you've been. Also seeing those winds out of the north. Low 80s, and that continues through Sunday. Mid 80s though for Labor Day. Also staying at about 87 for Tuesday and Wednesday. So getting warm the middle part of next week. The Cascades will be back into the low to mid 70s. Sunny skies for you folks there today, and that will also continue through the weekend. For those of you in the Bend area, about 81 degrees, sunny and mild winds out of the northwest, dropping just a touch here for Friday and Saturday, but then back into the low 80s next week. And for the valley, we're looking at about 80 today. So staying sunny, a little bit warmer. Winds out of the north, 5 to 15 miles per hour. We are going to start to see some much cooler temperatures overnight. As those skies clear, temperatures will drop down into the mid 40s, but we'll be back into the low 80s during the day, mid 80s by next week.